I love a good cup of fresh mud. Hey gang, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Here's some social media stuff. You can follow those. Or you can subscribe to the channel too if you really want to. That's really it. Hi pals. Hey, look at that. You made it to Friday, and I get to ruin it by opening a beater box for you. This box is from Sole Supremacy. Check them out, solesupremacy.com. And just so I don't have to answer any questions in the comments, these boxes are not available to the public. They are purchased through a beater box membership that is pay only, and slots are closed right now. So you have to watch me, NT Got Soul, and Untied Hawaii, and who am I forgetting? Sailboat, and Reserved Supply. There's so many good beater box members that make better videos than me that you should definitely check out. But this one is $725 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $775. Look, it's a counter. Its name is Clarence because I name things because why not? It's so I don't go crazy. Crazier. But that lets you know, whoa, excuse me. That lets you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. So let's crack this puppy open and see what kind of pairs we got in here. This price range is by far the best in terms of return and ease of movement. So I have high hopes for this box, but I have high hopes for every box. And then they throw Yeezys in it, and my hopes go straight to heck. They go straight to heck. I already see an SB box, so that's cool. Let me see what the SB is. If it's a dunk, I'm gonna save it for later. It is a dunk. I'm gonna save it for later. This first one is a Jordan 3. It's a size 13. Good size again. Ah, cool. This is a really, really good, really underrated colorway in my opinion. These are very lightly worn. This is the chlorophyll colorway. These are actually taken from an Air Trainer 1 colorway. This is a good colorway, and this is a really good size for this kind of stuff too. And these are actually in really, really great shape. You can see just a little bit of toe box creasing. It's got this really low pile like suede or like nubuck kind of material. There is a full jump man. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up because I don't have a light in the middle underneath the camera anymore, but as long as there's light on it, you might be able to see it. These are in really, really great shape. Come with the original box and hang tag. I don't see any ball bearing chain with it, but maybe it's hanging out somewhere. So these are in really great shape and a size 13. I cannot complain about this. Chlorophyll 3s, first shoe out. Hey, if you want to buy that shoe or any of the other shoes in this box, you can go to my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time by finding it in the video description or going to sbmitch.com or going to boostjedi420.com because that joke will never die. Looks like we got a 12. It's a size 12 Jordan 12 Retro. I like this box a lot already. Nice, dude. So these are worn, but they're in pretty great shape, actually. Got a pair of 2016 Flu Games. Obviously, these get their nickname from the 1996 NBA Finals game where Jordan had the flu and just absolutely went off on the Utah Jazz. Don't ask me how I know that because I know nothing about basketball, but I know that about this shoe. This comes with the original box. These are in good shape. This is one of the most iconic Jordan colorways of all time just because of what he did when he was wearing these. So, and it's an awesome size. I like this box a lot, so much. Yeah, baby. Size 12, Jordan 12 Flu Games from 2016. Cool. It's been a really long time since I've been this amped on a box. Some silver Jordans here. Silver box Jordans. A size 9 Jordan 13 Retro. Another really classic colorway. These are worn. They're in pretty decent shape. We got a pair of He Got Games, size 9. Not a great size for a 13, but it comes with the original box, and the shoes themselves are in pretty decent shape. There's the obvious signs of wear like creasing. There is a full jump man in there. Maybe it'll catch it, maybe it won't. I don't really know. A little bit of outsole wear, not really a lot. Not much drag. I mean, there is a tiny bit, but not enough to be a deal breaker as far as I'm concerned. Really great colorway, not a great size, but still another classic OG Jordan colorway. Obviously, these were made famous by the Denzel Washington He Got Game movie, which I've never seen, so I can't really talk much about it. So there you go, size 9. He Got Game 13s, very cool. Oh, we got a LeBron in here, so we'll definitely get that one out of the way. together. I have never gotten a LeBron box that was either not huge or in great shape. It's a size 10.5, LeBron 9. I guarantee you, I'm probably not gonna know what colorway this is. And my assumption was correct. Here it is. I don't know what the colorway is called. The color on the box says Canon Volt Slate Blue Team Orange. So maybe these have some kind of weird name to them or something like that. I don't really know. There is some outsole wear. I can't tell if that's drag or if it's just how that's made or something like that. The outsole's in pretty decent shape. These are probably a solid like 7 out of 10 condition maybe. A lot of insole wear. These will be cheap. I mean, I understand why they were at the bottom of the box because the box is huge, but it's got some carbon fiber on it. Maybe that's what these are, is carbon fiber 9s. I don't really know, but there you go. Size 10.5. LeBron 9, probably the least amount of value in this entire box, which isn't really surprising because there's just not a huge market for LeBrons. So we got Nike SB and what appears to be a Jordan 4. We'll get the Jordan 4 out of the way right now. Size 13, awesome size. Jordan 4 retro. By the tag, I would assume it's an alternate 4s. No. Is this the new release too? Wow, okay, cool. This is the newest release of the Fire Red 4s. These have a lot more wear than the other ones. There's some pretty decent amount of toe box creasing right there. Doesn't seem to be any paint issues, which is good. So I can get down with that. You can see the outsole's in pretty decent shape. How's the star loss? There's very little star loss on the forefoot. Not much drag on the heel, which is good. Another really classic Jordan colorway that's pretty OG. There is a full Jumpman in there, and it's got the shoe trees too, which is definitely a good thing. We'll see if there is a hang tag, and yes, there is a hang tag. Jordan 4 Fire Red from 2019 or 20? 2019, I think. Right? Nope, 2012. I was way off. This is from 2012. My eyes don't work too good, guys. Hey gang, SB Mitch here. You know, we have a lot of fun here on the channel, and sometimes I get things wrong. This pair of Fire Red 4s is actually mismatched, where the left shoe is the 2012 release, and the right shoe is the 2020 release. Don't ask me how it ended up in a beater box, because I have no idea. But I did get it wrong this time, and I'm very sorry. But, as you open up your $79 Acer laptop, or lay on the bed of your mattress that's on the floor in your one-bedroom apartment, before you hit the comment button and start misspelling a bunch of homophobic and racist stuff to post on my channel, remember, there's other things that you can yell at. Perhaps a tree, or maybe a pillow. Consider yelling at inanimate objects before you go all internet tough guy, yelling at a meaty-breasted, weak-chin nothing like SB Mitch. Because remember, SB Mitch has feelings. Trees do too, but they can't really express them. Okay, back to the video. And I saved this last one here too. This is the same as last week. Last week it was all big sizes and there were 6 of them, so. Size 13, Nike Dunk High Premium deal. Look at that, another De La Soul, but this is the Dunk High version. These are in really good shape, holy cow. De La Soul Dunk High. These came out in 2015, along with the lows from last week's video, because this colorway was originally released in like 2004, 2005 as a low. So this was the retro of what Nike SB was doing. So, I mean, it's just a really, really obvious tip of the cap to De La Soul, one of the most influential acts of all time. These are in really great shape, to be honest. There's not much toe box creasing. The outsole is in really, really great shape, actually. Just needs a cleanup. Got pretty prominent edges on the heel, and doesn't look like any star loss on the forefoot or on the ball of your foot too. And there's secondary yellow laces, so that's good. Dang. I know highs don't go for much. Oof, let me try that again. I know highs don't go for as much as lows, but still, SB Hype ain't dying down anytime soon, so this is a very, very good size and a very, very good shoe. And a good way to end a really great beater box, in my opinion. Size 13, Dunk High Premium, De La Soul from 2015. Man, what a good box. This was a $775 shipped beater box. Let's look at the numbers and see what it says. This is a very good good box if you ask me. I think this box, this is why I really love this price range. This like $650 to like $900 price range is probably the most consistent of any of the price ranges of Sole Supremacy beater boxes, just at least in my experiences. So it is what it is. Hey, if you want to buy any of these shoes, they'll be available on my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can find that website by going to sbmitch.com and purchasing them there, or just look at it. Do whatever you want. Before that happens, they're all going to be cleaned up and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products. And if you have a Resjuvenator order you want to place, before you do that, use my code at checkout. It'll save you 10%. And that code is Nope, it's SBMitch10. Wow, I went full Yoda on that one. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you have a really good weekend. Until next time, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.